All right, let's do a couple of quizzes. Which of the following are floats? Well, we know this is a complex number, and anything with a decimal is a float. So this is float. Let's try that. 25.5, that's green, so that's a float. That's the correct answer. Which of the following are integers? Now this one is an integer, yes. This one is not an integer because it's a float. It has a decimal. Which of the following are valid variable names? Let's see. This is a special character, tilde, so this is not. This is okay, but it starts with a number, so we know that a variable cannot start with a number, so this is not. This is also a special character, so this is not. This is okay because it starts with an alphabet and then there is an underscore which is an allowed special character, so this one should work. Try that. So that's a green, right? So these are all wrong. All right, next question. Which of the following is an invalid variable name? Okay. False underscore 1. Yes, you can have this as a variable. You can say false underscore 1 equals some text here or a number, anything. True is an example of, yeah, true can be an example because only if it is capitalized will it become a keyword. If it is not, small t is okay, right? Capital T is a Boolean keyword. Small t is okay. This one with a capital T is invalid. True underscore false. So this variable is okay, this variable is okay, and there is no underscore or any other special character at the beginning. And this underscore is an allowed character. So this is also an example of a valid variable name. So the only invalid variable name is this, which is actually a reserved word used for Boolean variables. Let's try that. True. So that's a green, that's the correct answer. So if you try this or this or this, it's not correct. Okay, which of the following is an invalid variable assignment? Let's see. Age equal to 21. That's valid because the variable seems to be okay, the variable definition seems to be okay, the assignment seems to be okay. Age comma sex equals 21 comma male. Well, we haven't seen this version, right, with a bracket, so we don't know if it works. So let's keep it at that. So this is a probable invalid assignment, but we don't know, we'll try it. This one doesn't seem to be correct because everything is okay except for there is a double equals. So what happens when you have a double equals? So that this one is also probably dicey. So we don't know if it works. So let's keep these two aside. And then how about this? Age comma sex equals 21 comma male. This is a valid way of assigning variables because, like I said, multiple variables can be assigned in a single line, right? So age is an integer, sex is a string. So both, this is an example of a valid variable assignment. And then age equals 21 plus 3. Now we haven't seen this kind of assignment yet, so we don't know if it works. Okay, so let's try this. Let's try the first one. Age comma sex equals 21 comma male. Okay, age equals 21 comma male. Does it work? Oh, it has to be enclosed within parenthesis. Okay, does it work? Yes, it does seem to work. So what is age now? Age is 21, sex is male. So this works. In Python, this way of doing is called, this is called basically a tuple. T-U-P-L-E. When we come to data structures, I think that's on day 2, we'll learn more about tuples. But until then, just understand that this version of assigning variables just works. Okay, so this one is okay. Now we are left out with two options. Age comma sex double equals 21 comma male. Age comma sex double equals 21 comma male. Like this. Shift enter. Okay. What is this? Age is 21. Now, did it really work? Actually, it did not work. The reason is, when you have declared this already in the previous line, the variables age and sex were already created. Now, this assignment actually did not work. The reason being, for example, let's say if you create new variables, age underscore 1, sex underscore 1 did not work, right? It says age underscore 1 is not defined. So what is happening here? When you use this double equal to operator, you're not asking the variable to be assigned, but you're asking the variable to be verified. For example, what is age? Age is 21, right? Now if you say age double equals 21, enter, it says that it is true. Meaning age is really equal to 21. So this is a verification operator. It's not an assignment operator, but it's a verification operator. So this is not correct. It's an invalid assignment. Now how about this? Age equal to 21 plus 3. Let's try that. Age equals 21 plus 3. Does it work? Age is 24. Yes, it has worked. Why has this worked? Now 21 plus 3 results in 24. So Python just does that addition and then assigns the variable the value 24. So in case you're confused with this, what's happening is Python is first evaluating what is 21 plus 3. So 21 plus 3 is 24. And then it's doing the assignment to the age variable. And when you type in what is age, it gives the correct value. So this option is also correct. So the only wrong option is this. Let's try that. Right, so that's a green, that's correct. So this is wrong, this is wrong, this is wrong, and this is also